But why, when I am asking your country, why are you not showing? Then he told, you only told in the previous class, you should not expose your mother country. So I am not exposing, I am not pointing out. So the children are sometimes misunderstanding the teachings, misunderstanding the patriotism of our country. So this was a very sad word from a teacher. So I should say, each and every moment we should be very proud that we are Indians. As our sports star Sindhu told, than when we are in our country, when we visit other countries, because I had my higher training at Canada, Australia and England. When we went to those countries, we felt very proud, because I have to narrate the words of our great saint Vivekananda. Vivekananda went to Chicago and he returned, and he went to other foreign countries and he returned. That is the custom in our country. When somebody returns from abroad, we surround him and we ask his or her experience. Usually Vivekananda used to say, I love this country, I like this country, I love this country. He used to say always, repeatedly he used to say, I like India, I like this country. Then when he came from abroad, everyone surrounded him and asked him, Vivekananda, before going to foreign countries, you used to say, I like this country, I like this country. But now you have visited the foreign countries. So now you are exposed to the facilities in the foreign countries. You have seen the top buildings, clean roads, developed country, and now you say, you love this country, you like this country. Vivekananda told, before going to foreign countries, I liked this country, I loved this country. He said it in the past tense. So everyone started laughing. Vivekananda itself changed. A saint, he himself changed. After seeing all the development in the other countries, he is telling, before going to foreign countries, I liked the country. So he is telling in past tense. So now he is not liking the country, he is loving the country. So everyone started laughing. Then Vivekananda told, before visiting the foreign countries, I like this country, I love this country. After visiting the foreign countries, I worship my country, I salute my country, he told. So that is the culture of our country. After seeing the things abroad, we say, because we are very proud of our country. And now the contribution of India towards the development of not only the nation, but the world. Now in the COVID struggle, we know how our country is contributing, and because of our Honorable Prime Minister's concrete efforts to face the situation, and the cooperation of Chief Ministers like our Telangana Chief Minister and other Chief Ministers and all the citizens like us, we are very courageously facing this situation. And I should congratulate the sports star Ms. P.V. Sindhu to get connected with you. Really, I appreciate your presence, and your presence encouraged all the youngsters. All were calling you Sindhu Akka. So Sindhu Akka's presence was actually appreciated, and it was an encourage to Mithali Raj, it was encouraged to Danish Srikanth, and it was an encourage to Isha Singh, it was an encourage to Snehit, Sai Pranita and Akula Srija. I really appreciate all you're all youngsters actually making our country proud. It's not an easy job. I have read about you, then the way you practice, how early you get up, and how hard work you're all, because practice, we cannot say that we sacrifice so many things. As a doctor, we sacrifice so many things before reading our books, because it will be in the first year we used to see the books, it will be so big. So we sacrifice our movies, we sacrifice our dramas, we sacrifice our programs, our family functions, then only we can become a doctor. When sports person, you sacrifice your time, your food, and your enjoyment, your family life. So I really very thankful to you all, and I'm really happy that I got connected with all these young stars, and particularly Sindhu Akka who encourage the other participants. I really very happy. And COVID warriors, I have to say, Madam Suchitra, have read a lot about her, and really Madam Suchitra's participation, and Dr. Parthasarathi Reddy, he already told how he has contributed, and both of them are in the efforts of inventing medicines as well as immunization and vaccines. As our Honorable Prime Minister proudly said, the vaccine should be from India, and we are actually in the process of getting the vaccine. And as a doctor, I every day pray that vaccine should be invented with all the phases. We are, as it is said, it cannot be very urgently and with an emergency attitude. We cannot get it, but we have to go some phases, and we are moving the phases very fast. And I'm really thankful to Madam Suchitra and Dr. Parthasarathi Reddy for getting connected, and whatever may be the support from Raj Bhavan, not only as a governor, as a doctor, particularly in combating this situation, my support will always be there. But now, whether physically I am not getting, moral support definitely will be there, and I really appreciate your work. And my special thanks to Dr. Raja Rao, Superintendent Gandhi Hospital, because since the first day of COVID, he is suffering, and he is sacrificing his life. And as I said, I don't know whether it was audible when I told that, because Mahatma Gandhi was fighting against the Britishers. Now Gandhi Hospital is fighting against Corona. And you very boldly told in my previous conference, the first case was from Gandhi Hospital, and the last case should be from the Gandhi Hospital, and the last case should be very soon. I think within few days or weeks we have to be free, so that our country, the nation, we have to chase the corona not only from the state, from the country, and from the world. And India should play a very important role, and particularly I appreciated your role on plasma therapy, because I am interested in plasma therapy, and plasma donation should be highly encouraged. And your service, it's not an easy job to work in a government hospital, because I was a student of a government medical college, and when I went from Tanjavur Medical College to Canada for a treatment, then only I saw the actually discrepancies between our country government hospitals and other places. So I really appreciate your service, sir, and all the freedom fighters, all the youngsters who assembled here in the webinar, and myself, we should get the lessons from them. We should actually get the advice from them, because Srimati, our Sri Unnam Venkaya is 90 years, and Srimati Venkatrao was, Sri and Srimati Venkatrao was 85 years, and Sri V. Manogar is 101 years. They are all 100 years, 90 years, and 85 years. So I ask youngsters, we should not say, my head is aching, my back is aching, I cannot work. So they are all still working, and they fought for the country, and still they are very enthusiastic. You can see, I can even curtail the words of others, because they are so enthusiastic, and they are talking, and they are so energetic, and really I am very happy to get connected them. And Dr. Haragopal, who mentioned about his father, Sardar Keshav Rao, and these all, when we heard about the preachings and the life of them, it is really encouraging to us. If we get up to do our work by 6 o'clock, then after hear them, we have to get up by 5:30. And really, if you are working for 5 to 6 hours, after hearing their words, we have to work for more than 10 to 12 hours. So these are the role models. They are the role models, and but for that service, we wouldn't have been enjoying the freedom of this nation. And I have to appreciate the arts, cultural, and literary personnel. Madam Panjula, as I said, we are expecting in a COVID-free situation your Kuchipudi, and Kavya. She is really, as I said, she is very good, she is getting big orator, and I have to say that she's also told that she's also can do kuchipudi. So as an youngster, she also can come and perform apart from your sports. And Ramagopal Rao, this and Oggu Ravi. I was unable to get connected with him, but it was a technical failure. But I appreciate his presence. And Dr. Penna Madhusudan Sharma, the Sanskrit scholar, and I appreciate the presence of Dr. V. Triveni, Dr. Lakshmana Chakravarti, and Dr. Acharya, their presence and their participation, and really I am very happy. Dr. V. Ram Gopal Rao for his contribution, and all of you, no words to say. And as I always say, not only as a governor, as a sister of you, you can always get assured that a sister of you is in Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan is a friendly place. Whatever may be the support you want, I want to continue. You all should continue your achievements. And usually it is said, the best picture have not yet painted, the best sports not yet played, the best dance not yet have performed, the best music not yet have sung. So I myself also, I won't be satisfied with the program. In evening I used to think, no, it would have been done in much better way. I don't get satisfied at all. So we all should perform much more. And each and every Independence Day should add to our achievement. And we are very proud that we are in our country. And as a sister of Telangana, as governor of Telangana, I have a lot of plans for the youngsters of our state. Actually, we have the Red Cross Society. So I want most of the youngsters, already lakhs and lakhs of youngsters have enrolled in the Red Cross Society. And I want you all, stalwarts, including Sindhu, including all the other stalwarts, your sports personnels, you take some of your initiatives. Already I have seen your social media. You are all creating awareness about COVID and other situations. So you continue your awareness, small short videos and awareness material, so that youngsters following you can be very safe. I want to say, because you are all personally in a room, so you are not with the mask, I believe, because I am with the technical people and I am your officials, I am with the mask. So whenever you step out of your house, please wear the mask. And I always say, this is not a face mask, it's a nose mask. Lot of people, after wearing it, while talking, they are removing it. While talking only, it should be there. While talking only, the virus through saliva and through air particles, it spreads. Please be careful. Please wear mask always, wash your hands, keep physical distance. When you go out, you are all precious people, and you teach others also. So we have to come out, because the protective measures, we should carry the protective measures, follow the protective measures, so that we should be very careful. And I want all of you, then we from Raj Bhavan, we as a Chancellor of Universities, we conducted a program, get connected with the chancellors. More than 8,000 youngsters participate in that program, and I want more youngsters to get enrolled in the Red Cross. And in future, Raj Bhavan will be a center to attract all the youngsters, so we all will get connected, so that service activity, not for any other thing. I always say, my word should be complementary to the state, not contradictory. And it should be very helpful. It's only a helping hand which I am rendering. So we all will unitedly fight COVID, and in future we get connected, we will get connected with the people. And all youngsters, I want the youngsters to get enrolled in the Red Cross as well as in our website. You can get enrolled, so that in future, whatever may be the challenging situation the country faces, we will take part, whatever may be the contribution. Just consoling a patient itself is contribution. Whether you are unable to treat, or taking a phone and just console a COVID patient, that itself is a contribution. Whatever may be the smallest contribution we can do, we can say, we can do, we can serve. So we can, let us all save, serve and celebrate this situation, and let us all contribute to the upliftment of our country, whatever may be. As our Honorable Prime Minister says, it is self-reliance. If I am a sports person, I will exemplifying that. I will do more in my field to make my country proud. If I am a doctor, I will be, if my put my efforts more. That's not enough, because our country is moving very fast towards the to reach the topmost person in the country, and now we have reduced and banned the imports from other countries. So we are self-reliant, and we can, as I said, we can produce more drugs, we can produce more medical equipments, we can, now we are actually achieving our efforts in the space. And I should say I'm really very happy to get connected. And not only this connection is not only for the Independence Day, it should be continuous. And after COVID situation, definitely we will meet. And whenever you feel talking to me, or whenever you want communicating, feel any help or anything, you can always call Raj Bhavan. And I should say, very, very, very happy Independence Day. And this is one of the happiest Independence Day memorable to me, because I am, as a politician, as a doctor, as a social person, I have celebrated so many Independence Day, so many programs you have conducted. This is one among them. It's very unique program, but highly satisfied. From the, as I told, I was feeling very bad this time. We are unable to celebrate it, but I feel very happy. So that in spite of, as our Honorable Prime Minister always say, change the setbacks into opportunities. So always, whatever maybe, I always used to think, whenever something happens, I used to think only the positive side of it. So I think because of COVID, this is one of the benefits we had because of the setback. Anyhow, I feel very happy. Thank you all. Wish you all happy Independence Day, the 74th Independence Day. Let us all, with our efforts, make our country proud. Thank you so much.
Now I request all the guests to rise for the national anthem, please.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधिधरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाये तब शुभाशि समाये जाये तब जय दादा जन गण मंगल दायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Okay. But for them, it's a very good program, pa. Done it very well.
Pankaj Dubey is Sushant Singh Rajput's friend who's a writer and an author. Pankaj, in the diary pages accessed by us, there is a PD mentioned as a party of Sushant's dream team. Sushant refers to PD in his dream team. Was that reference to you?
Yes, Arnab.
Is referred to me, of course. All my friends call me PD. You are absolutely correct.
Which means you must be incredibly close to him.
Yeah, the legacy of our friendship goes back to the year 2000, 2001 when I was in Delhi University and he was a student preparing to get into the engineering. So we have been quite close since long.
Pankaj, you have said he was of sound mind,
Yes.
but a whole PR machinery has been spread and they've been saying that he thinks completely to the contrary. I want your experience. I want you to tell me why you feel so.
So actually, our association, when we shifted to Mumbai from Delhi, and by then he had started working in film. He was already a star on television. So when we started meeting, we used to have a lot of brainstorming sessions on different ideas, different scripts, different stories, what all could be planned for the years and decades to come. I never felt that he had any issues with his mind or I never felt during my meetings that he had any issue of depression. Though my meetings were restricted till the first quarter of last year, after which the access got limited. And but by then, when we were directly in touch...
Access limited because you couldn't talk to him?
Yes, because, the phone number got changed, and then we got a feeling that if you want to reach out to him, you have to reach out through Riya Chakravarti, which was slightly awkward for all of us to get through her all the time, and you may not get the right information also. So it went on reducing after April of 2019, I remember. Arnab.
Yeah.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by Softovac and Ganesh Atta.
Good evening and welcome. In response to our continuing investigation into Sushant's death, thousands have been contacting me and my colleagues across the Republic Media Network and the news desk. First of all, I'm overwhelmed. I'm grateful for your overwhelming support. And I'm also grateful to many of you who have offered leads. One thing I can say with certainty today, the Mumbai police